So when I woke up this morning, I decided, I need to get back out in the shop and make some more ornaments, Christmas ornaments. I love this time of year. Christmas ornaments are really fun to make. It takes a lot more time to design them on the computer than it does for the laser to cut them. It's also fun just to sit back sometimes and just watch the laser work. Just kicking back, watching it work after you spent all those hours in the design. And it takes it only 5 minutes to make it. Yeah, I'll sit back here and watch it, drinking my cup of coffee, enjoying the morning. Ah, yes, Christmas. That wonderful time of year. Oh, I still have a lot of those memories. Waking up, running out to the tree, see what Santa had brought you, tearing open all those presents. But oh, I can remember the smells too. My dad always cooked breakfast, and he'd already been up. I could smell the bacon and eggs. Oh yeah. Man, I'd love to have some of his bacon and eggs again. I was raised on a farm, and after opening presents and that great breakfast, we still had chores. Yeah, the animals had to be fed and tended to. Heck, I had to take care of them before I could ride my bike. I got to see my first snow in 1977, right here in Florida. Man, it was fun to play in. First time I'd ever seen it. But it wasn't good for the crops. It really devastated a lot of orange groves. This year, we've been especially blessed. We have not one, but two brand new grandchildren, so this will be their first Christmas. We're all excited. We can't wait. Although it's really hard for them to understand what's going on since this is their only first Christmas. But it's enjoyable to have the grandkids over. Well, I can see it's almost finished now. And I sure am through with my coffee, so I need another cup. So I'll head back into the kitchen and grab me another cup. So before I head back into the kitchen and grab me another cup, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.